In the high-stakes world of IT, you aren't just managing servers and code, you're managing the people who build them. But here's the truth. Most IT managers are flying blind, reacting to fires instead of fueling growth. This course is your roadmap to changing that. We're moving beyond the once-a-year performance review to a masterclass in high-impact leadership. You'll learn how to use data-driven tools like the 9-box grid to identify your future stars and gain a coaching framework that turns underperformance into a comeback story. We'll show you how to eliminate bias, protect your team from burnout, and align individual passion with your company's bottom line. Stop just managing systems. Start mastering the art of the talent cycle. Watch the full course to unlock the true potential of your department and lead a team that doesn't just meet expectations, they shatter them. Being an IT manager means moving beyond the hardware to focus on the people who power your systems. Performance management isn't just a bureaucratic checkbox, it's a strategic heartbeat that aligns individual career goals with the company's bottom line. By shifting from reactive firefighting to proactive coaching, you create a culture of psychological safety where productivity thrives and talent stays. Take David and Jason. One is a model of delivery, the other a brilliant innovator who misses deadlines. Your job is to master the art of balance, mentoring the Jasons of your team to harmonize long-term innovation with immediate project needs. When you invest in your people through clear feedback and growth paths, you transform a group of engineers into a high-functioning, motivated department. To be an effective IT manager, you must master the multifaceted art of performance management by building a foundation of trust. It starts with promoting transparency and fairness, using SMART goals and objective leveling guides to ensure every engineer is measured by the same yardstick. You must also guard against cognitive biases. Don't let a coding rockstar mask poor teamwork through the halo effect, and don't let one server outage trigger the horns effect, overshadowing a year of great work. Instead, rely on data-driven assessments and peer feedback. Finally, bridge performance gaps through two-way dialogue and tailored training, turning technical hurdles into career milestones. The performance review cycle is your most powerful tool for aligning individual talent with company growth. We start with the evaluation phase using the 9-box grid, mapping current performance against future potential to identify your stars and those needing immediate intervention. To ensure objectivity, we look beyond the manager's lens by collecting 360-degree feedback from peers and partners. Finally, when conducting the meeting, create a private, quiet space. Be a patient listener and ensure there are no surprises. Keep the conversation focused on a forward-looking career roadmap rather than just a backward-looking critique. High performers are the engine of your IT team, but ignoring them just because they're self-sufficient is a recipe for burnout. These stars are characterized by their proactive nature, extreme ownership, and a growth mindset that thrives on big technical challenges. They are the lighthouses your team leans on during a crisis. To keep them engaged, you must provide autonomy and clear growth opportunities, like transitioning from a senior engineer to a lead architect. Don't forget public recognition and competitive compensation to value their impact. Finally, manage the bus factor by encouraging them to mentor others. This protects the team from knowledge bottlenecks while giving your high performers a chance to lead. Managing underperformance is one of the toughest parts of the job, but it is vital for your team's health. When an individual struggles, start with a systematic coaching framework. Find the root cause, share data-backed feedback, and set a clear 60-TO-90-DAY plan. If coaching fails, a formal performance improvement plan becomes the necessary final step. Sometimes, the whole team struggles, signaled by constant task spillover across sprints. Don't rush into radical changes. Instead, observe to find bottlenecks like technical debt or slow code reviews. Set clear, data-driven expectations and remove the blockers that are stifling your team's speed. By providing the right tools and clarity, you can turn a struggling department back into a high-functioning machine. This masterclass course mapped out the strategic journey for mastering performance management, specially tailored for IT managers. It showcased how managing talent, from maximizing potential to aligning goals, was a critical business driver. To execute this effectively, the course championed specific best practices, such as establishing transparency through SMART goals and actively gathering peer feedback to overcome cognitive biases. We then detailed how to navigate the entire talent cycle, utilizing tools like the 9-box grid and conducting private, roadmap-focused meetings. Finally, the course equipped managers to handle diverse scenarios, cultivating star performers, creating coaching plans for underperformance, and turning around entire teams by removing blockers. It ensured every manager left with the skills to lead.